All right, this is what we got. We are going to evaluate these algebraic expressions, and we have some values, okay? Instead of having this old value, which is g, now is taking the place of 2, 3 is taking the place of r, and 11 is taking the place of t. What are we going to do, guys? In all my variables, we are going to use parentheses. Okay, that's exactly what we're going to do. Okay, let's try to do that. I'm going to be placing parentheses here, parentheses plus 6 t parentheses. And then, guys, I'm going to take the value for g and I'm going to plug it in. What is the value for g, guys?
2.
2.
2. Okay, I take 2 here. Okay, we're going to plug the value 2 here. And what is the value for 6? I just get it down. And t, what is t? T?
11.
Okay, this is the
11.
value that we're going to plug in. Okay, that's going to be 11. Guys, this is just a combined operation. And how do you solve combined operations, guys? Multiplication, pandas, right? We have an addition and we have a multiplication. This parenthesis, guys, in this case is standing for a multiplication. Okay, what are we gonna solve then, guys?
Multiplication.
The multiplication, correct. This is the one we're gonna solve first, okay? Okay, let's copy the 2 plus, and let's solve that. 6 times 11, what is that equals to, guys? 6 times 11,
66.
6, right? 6.
66.
Thank you. And then, guys, let's solve. Can you solve that addition? 66 plus 2.
68.
Okay, and this is our answer. If you got this, guys, excellent. You did it right. Let's go to the second one. Oh, again, we're going to try to work. This is r squared plus g cubed minus 8, the difference of g cubed and 8 to the 5th power. Translating this into verbal expressions. Okay, we are going to try to substitute because we already know what the values are. Okay, what is the value for r, guys? Okay,
3.
3.
let's get back. R is 3. G is 2 and T is
11.
11. Okay, let me see. We got this one. Okay, let me just take a look at this. Okay, I'm going to be placing, guys, parentheses for each of my variables. Okay, parentheses square plus parentheses. Again, parentheses cube minus 8. I just copy it to the 5th power. Okay, what is the value for R, you said, guys?
3.
3. Okay, 3. And what is the value for G?
2.
2.
Okay, let's substitute 2. And what is the value for, okay, we have already done it. Okay, now, guys, we have a combined operations. What do we have to do? Solve first the subtraction. That's the first thing?
No.
No, mister. The
Exponent.
exponents, the parentheses, and all of that. This exponent, guys, let's solve this one. What is this equals to? 3 to the 2nd power.
9.
6,
9.
mister. No, guys. 3 to the 2nd powers means 3 times 3. Okay, correct. It's 9. Plus, let's continue. And let's work inside of this parenthesis. Okay, the subtraction goes first, guys, or this exponent?
Exponent.
Exponent.
Okay, that exponent, okay, to the 5th power. Okay, what is this equals to, guys? 2
8.
to the 3rd
8.
power.
8.
2
8.
cubed, Mr. 8. 6 again. No, guys. That is 2 times 2 times 2. Excellent. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, 8 minus, I just copied that, minus 8 raised to the 5th power. Okay, exactly like the same thing. And then what we'll have to solve first, the addition, the subtraction, or the parentheses?
Parenthesis.
The
Parenthesis.
parentheses. Okay, let us copy this. 9 plus, let's solve inside what is inside of this parenthesis. 8 minus 8.
0.
0.
Okay, that is going to be 0 to the what power?
5.
To the 5th power. Okay, if you multiply, guys, 0 5 times, 0 times 0 times 0 times 0 times 0. I think 4 or 5. 5 times, what are you going to get?
0.
0.
Okay, this is 0. Okay, let us copy 9 plus 0. And what is that equals to, guys?
9.
9.
9. Okay, this is going to be our answer, 9. If you got 9, excellent. Hi. Let's take a look at this, okay? A couple of girls is asking me, These inquisitive girls. If what is the number? What is the value for G? Guys, is 2, right?
Two.
And
Yes.
R is equals to 3. Okay,
Three.
someone said it's only 3. I don't know. Let's figure it out. Okay, let's copy this, guys. 7. And I'm going to be placing parentheses for all of my variables. This is parentheses for G and parentheses for R. What is the value for G, you said, guys?
Two.
2,
2. What's the value for R?
Three.
3,
3. Okay. And Mr. is 23. Parentheses means what, guys?
multiplication.
Multiplication. There. Okay, let's copy this. The 7 minus, and let's solve this. 2 and 3. Parentheses. 2 times 3, guys.
6,
Six.
6. And what is 7 minus 6?
1,
Okay, and this is our answer. Okay, I don't even need this minus here. Okay, that's already done, guys. Okay. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Now we have different values, different variables, A, B, C. A is equals to 8, B is equals to 4, and C is equals to 16. Okay, let's substitute, guys. This is my expression. We have fractions, mister, don't worry. That's why at the beginning of our classes, I got started teaching you guys how to work with fractions. Okay, parentheses here, square, all of the variable, guys, parentheses. Parentheses here, square, plus parentheses here, square, all over parentheses here, square. Okay, now let's substitute these values. What is C, guys? A, B, C. 16, right?
16.
Okay,
yes.
and what is B? B
4,
is
Me
4.
four.
What is B again?
4,
4. And what is
4.
A?
8,
A is 8. Thank you. Okay, we got this. Then, guys, let's simplify. Okay, mister, I have a lot of things. What is the first thing in our combined operations?
Exponent.
The exponent, correct, correct. Or the parentheses, which is the same in this case. What is 16 to the second power, guys? 16 multiplying 16.
256.
256,
256. Okay. All over. What is 4 to the second power? 4 times 4.
8.
8.
12.
16.
16.
4 times 4. It is not 4 times 2. Okay, no problem. Let's go to the next one. And what is this? 4 to the second power. 4
16.
times 4. 16 again. Okay. And what is this? 8 to the second power.
64.
64, correct. Okay, 64. Here, guys, you have different options. Take a look. You can say, Mister, I don't have the same denominator. You're right. But now, guys, try to find the least common multiple. Or we can simplify then. We have different options. I don't know which one, which way do you want to take? Let me zoom in here. Take a look. Can we simplify? What is the half of 256, guys? What is the half? All of these numbers, guys, are even numbers. Instead of working with that big a number, we can simplify it. Okay, what is the half of 256?
128,
Okay, let me, 100?
128.
28. And what is the half of 16?
8.
8. Do we have halves still? What is the half of 128? 64.
64, yes.
64. And what is the half of 8?
4.
4.
4.
Excellent. Do we have half still? Yes. What is the half of 64?
32.
32.
32. And what is the half of 4?
2.
Okay, and now 32, guys. Can you solve this mentally? 32 divided by 2, guys.
16.
16.
Correct. It's just 16, right? Or mister, should I have done that? 256 divided by 16 is 16. Figure it out, guys.
What?
I mean,
16 divided by 16.
256 divided by 16.
Yes, it's the same.
It's the same. That's why I told you guys we have different options. If you gotta notice that, Mister, can we divide this and this? Yes, you can do it. But if you don't know
It's more
that,
easy, sir.
yes, it's easier, correct. Okay, but if you don't notice that, guys, you can be simplifying, simplifying, simplifying. And this one, guys, let's try to simplify these numbers. What is the half of 16, guys?
8.
8.
Okay,
8,
that is gonna be 8. And what is the half of 64?
32,
32. What is the half of 8 again?
4,
4.
And what is the half of 32?
16,
16.
16, right? And now, what is the half of 4?
2.
2,
And what is the half of 16?
8,
8.
What is the half of 2?
1.
And what is the half of 8?
4.
4. Okay, we got 1/4. Okay, this is equals to 1/4. Now, guys, I mean, instead of working with 64 and 16, which are, big numbers, we can work with this. This is a fraction. We need to add these fractions, guys. How can I add this fraction? Do we have the same denominator, different denominators?
Yeah, because we don't have denominator, we have to put one, right?
yes,
Excellent. We place a 1 there.
So now
Okay.
we find the least common denominator.
Correct, correct. Least common multiple or denominator. Okay, multiple of 4s and multiple of 1. 4, 8, etc.
It's
1,
4, right?
2, 3. Correct. It's 4. It's 4. Okay. 4 is my common denominator. And then we have 2. Do you remember what we did?
yes,
Divide and multiply. Okay. 4 divided by 1. 4 divided by 1 is 4. Okay, we have 4.
4.
4 times 16, guys. 16 times 4, 32, 68,
64,
64. Ah, yeah, 64, sorry. 64, okay, plus, guys, this one.
1.
4 divided by 4, 4 divided by 4 is 1. And 1 multiplying 1, 1 times 1
1.
is 1.
1,
Okay, and then let's solve this one. 64 plus 1, guys, piece of cake.
65.
5,
65.
65 over 4. And this is our answer. Mister, we did a lot of things. Yeah, we did. Mister,
Yes.
there are different ways to solve this. Yes, guys, there are many different ways to solve that one, but this is the one that, we got. Again, let's take a look at this new expression. We already know what are the values for A, B, and C. We're going to use parentheses again. That's the same idea. And see what we can substitute, okay? Let's start off by replacing 2 parentheses minus parentheses square all over parentheses, parentheses, plus, and just placing parentheses, guys, for all of these expressions, okay? C minus 8 parentheses, B parentheses. Okay, can someone help me? What is the value for A?
8,
8. Thank you. What is the value for B?
4.
What
4,
is the value for A and B? A is 8 again.
8 and 4,
8 and 4, 84. No, guys, 8 times 4, right? Okay, then let's go to C. C, what is C, guys?
16,
16. Okay, let's play 16. What is A again?
8,
8.
And what is a B squared?
4.
Okay, B is 4. Okay, correct. The answer at the end is going to be 16. Okay, but this is going to be 4 again. Okay, 4 for B. Thank you, guys. Then let's just simplify this, okay? What do we have, guys? We have 2 fractions, guys. Just take one numerator, then the denominator, just one step at a time. This one, guys, what does this mean, guys? 2 parentheses 8.
multiplication,
Correct. 2 times 8,
16.
16, minus the other one, the exponent, 4 to the second power. 4 times 4,
16.
16 all over 8 times 4, guys. 8 times 4 is what?
32.
32. Let's continue with the other fraction, guys. Let's work with this numerator. 16 minus 8. What is that equals to, guys?
8. 8.
Okay, positive or negative? The biggest one, which one is the biggest?
I
The positive. Yeah,
16
yes,
is
it's positive. It's positive. Okay, just to make sure. 8 all over and 4 to the second power. 4 times 4, guys.
16.
16. Thank you. Let's continue. Let's continue. What do we have here? 16 minus 16. What is that equals to?
0.
0.
0 over 32, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Plus 8 over 16. You can copy this exactly as it is, but you can simplify it. Okay, let's copy like it is. Okay, no worse. Okay, I don't want to confuse you. 8 over 16. Guys, 0 divided by 32, what is that equals to, guys? Nothing divided by 32.
0.
This is nothing. Okay, that is nothing, guys. I will just will erase that. That is not helping me at all. That is just nothing. And what I got then? 8 over 16.
8
Correct.
over
We can simplify it, right? Let me help me out in simplifying this, guys. The half of
Is
8,
2 over
4.
4.
4.
the half of 4,
8.
2 and
2.
4.
4.
we can
And
simplify.
then 1
Uh-huh.
over 2.
1
over
over
2.
2. Okay, 1/2. Correct. This is the answer for this one. 1/2 is the answer for all this expression.
I can copy that.
Okay, I will explain you that. Okay, then guys, what we got here is 5x and this. Okay, let's substitute. X, what is the value for x?
Mister, I was confused. I subtract instead of adding, but that's why I
Oh,
got the number.
no
But now I
problem.
got 16.
Okay, no problem. X is 6 minus, okay, y. What is y, guys? Y is 8.
8.
Thank you. Y is going to be 8. And what is 2z? What is z, guys?
3.
3.
3. Okay, z is 3. Okay, let's place 3 then. And what is the first thing that we have to solve, guys? The parentheses. Okay, this multiplication, guys, take a look that we can only multiply 5 times 6, guys. 5 times 6,
30.
30.
30 minus, okay, these parentheses, guys, we have to solve what is inside. Take a look that this 8, guys, it doesn't make sense if I leave it without parentheses. Okay, I just get out of the parentheses. 8 plus 2, 3. 23, no, right? It's 2
No.
times 3,
6.
which is
6.
6. Okay, then, guys, let's go ahead. What is the first thing, the subtraction or the parentheses?
Parentheses.
The parentheses, okay? Let's solve the parentheses. What do we have inside of the parentheses? 8 plus 6,
Plus 6 equal
15.
14.
14. And then 30 minus 14. Okay, if this, you can solve it like 30 minus 6,
16.
16.
16.
Okay, if you want to do it step by step, you will have to say 30. And then, guys, negative and a positive here. Negative and positive. Negative 14. And it is the same. I'm just making it one step at a time. That is going to be equals to
16.
16.
16. Okay, this is our answer.